Hi guys, so this will be a quick review on the CASIO H700-3A3. This model I bought it about a year ago, during the height of the coronavirus. Okay, so basically, okay, this is the basic specification of a full specification. You can refer to the video description below. All right, so the thing that I like about this watch is the color, which is, I think, very interesting. The color is beige, like the color of the sun, and I'm making the watch itself very interesting, very what is that, it's yes, a masculine look, making it a watch so special, apart from the other watches. Okay, it's look like a military watch, and if you look at the casing itself, the case itself is giving you the impression that this is a very tough watch, even though it's not a G-Shock. It's look expensive, even though the price is only about 25 USD. And the buckle itself, is black, apart from the rest of the watch, and it feel expensive to me, even though it's only 25 USD. Okay, the combination of analog and digital really make this watch look good, look special. The case back is stainless steel, and you can see clearly the markings on the case back, the serial number, and also the model number. Okay, so what else? Well, the whole of the watch really is interesting. Apart from the resin case, but I think it's a watch that is you might want to use for outdoor activities. So this is my 6.5-inch wrist. It's on the smaller side, but it still look good. Okay, look okay to me. And next is the loom. No complaint here, not bad, because of the price range is 25 USD, so no complaint. To me it's okay. It's still legible. So I think that's all, guys. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and see you again in the next one. Thank you very much, and goodbye.